In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert lines in Excel. Whether you're separating sections, pointing to a key number, or adding a simple visual guide, a line shape is a quick, flexible way to make your worksheet clearer without changing any cell borders or the grid itself. Start by heading to the Insert tab along the top of Excel. This is your toolbox for adding anything that isn't raw data: charts, images, text boxes, and of course, shapes. If you don't see the ribbon, expand it so the Insert tab is visible, then select it to reveal all the insert options. Next, choose Shapes. A gallery will open, showing categories like recently used, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, and more. The gallery stays open while you hover, so take a moment to locate the Lines section. This is where you'll find straight lines, arrows, and connectors. Clicking here ensures you're working with an actual drawing object, not a border, which is important if you want to freely position, color, or rotate your line. Now click the Lines category to pick the type of line you want. At this point, Excel is ready for you to place the line on your sheet. You'll notice your cursor changes, and you can position your line exactly where you need it. If you want a perfectly horizontal or vertical placement, use the Shift key while placing or adjusting it. After it's on the sheet, you can fine-tune the length with the end handles and use the rotation handle to angle it precisely. If the line hides behind other objects, bring it to the front. If it covers something important, send it back. Layering in Excel is fully adjustable. Once the line is selected, the Shape Format tab appears, giving you quick access to color, thickness, dash styles, and arrowheads. If you prefer more control, open the Formatting pane to adjust weight, transparency, and shadow or glow effects for subtle emphasis. Keep contrast in mind so your line remains visible when printed or shared on different screens. A quick note on context. A line shape is independent of cell borders, so it won't move with cell content unless you intentionally anchor or group it. It will, however, print as part of the worksheet, which makes it great for presentation-ready layouts. And if you're using lines to connect shapes in a flow, consider the connector options within the same lines group so your lines stay attached when you rearrange objects. That's it. Insert, shapes, lines, simple, precise, and professional. And